Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I'm back with a new video of a front page design of the subject arts. You can make this front page design for your arts homework, arts corner, etc. So the material needed for it are a crape paper, markers, glitter foaming sheet, some beads, and a glue. Here's the overview. So let's get started. First, I'm using marker colors to decorate the corners. You can use any color of your choice. Now draw ice cream cup on a glitter forming sheet and you have to cut it. Paste it on the paper. Draw the pattern an ice cream cup is having. Now you have to cut a tag and have to paste it on the cup. And then you have to write arts using a marker on it. To make the top of the ice cream, you have to take a crepe paper and have to fold it like this. Take some glue and now paste the crepe paper. Now take glitter forming sheet in red and black color and you have to make a cherry. Using silver color forming sheet, you have to make sprinkles. Using orange color glitter forming sheet, you have to make two wafers on the top of the ice cream. Draw lines on it. So here our mango flavor yummy ice cream is completed. Using a brush pen, you have to draw hearts. Draw hearts all over the left area. Now you have to paste beads. At the corner, you have to make a cute tiny bunny using brittle foamy sheet, grey color, along with the carrot. Now you have to cut strips of red color and you have to paste it. You can see that my border page design is completed. You can try it by yourself at home. So if you enjoyed my today's video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next video.